Sorry, everyone. Sorry, the phone came in there as I was talking. So I'm on number 7 now. Number 7, let's go back to it. Number 7 says, these are whales. They live in the world's oceans. That's right. Humpback, right, great. Okay, now we're on to number 8, a little bit faster. The world's oceans are very small or big? Maybe Yuki, can you answer that for me? The world's oceans are very small or very big?
They're very big.
Yuki, very nice. Very interesting, you guys. One of our old kindergarten students has come back to see us today. Do you want to come make an appearance, Yuki? Come and sit, Yuki. Yuki, you're on YouTube. Sit. So this is Yuki. Yuki was a kindergarten student for quite some time, but now he's come back.
Yeah.
You're gonna come back and be a teacher here sometimes?
Maybe.
Hey, I can give him one of these shirts over here, right? Better yet, I guess his sister's here now too. What's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Mireille.
So Mireille came back too. And so I'm gonna ask Yuki some questions from these worksheets. Let's see how he does. This is number 9, Yuki. So Yuki, these 3 whales travel far, but they spend most of their time here. So we call it what do we call the place where you spend the most amount of time? Here, listen to Greg on this one. Yuki has no idea what I'm talking about, so I'm gonna, let's see. So Yuki, what do you call the place where you spend the most amount of time sleeping, eating breakfast, brushing your teeth?
My home.
So Yuki, how do you spell home right here?
Home.
Very good. And then we have 3 types of whales here. Do you know which one this one is? It starts with a G. Its home is around here. What continent is this over here?
That's the North America.
Good boy. There's my boy. Doesn't forget a thing. North America. This is the gray whale. Gray whale's home is around North America. And this one here is here. What continent is this?
It's Africa.
Africa. This is the right whale. And then over here, don't forget
Australia.
Australia. That's the humpback whale. So they travel far, which means they travel like this. But their home, where they spend the most time, are in these areas. Okay? Okay, let's move on to number 9. Everyone on the video keeping up over there too? Number 10, we're going to go a bit faster. Here you just have to draw your line. Yuki, where is the gray whale, Yuki? Which one? This is the humpback.
And this one.
That's right, gray whale. And that's actually the size of a human body compared to the gray whale. Isn't that amazing? Hey, Tomi, what is the name of the biggest whale, Tomi?
The blue whale.
You got it, Tomi. It's like almost double the size of the gray whale. Amazing, right? And where's the right whale, Yuki? Which one?
Right.
The right whale is actually swimming to the right. And this is the humpback, right? Humpback. Okay, and moving on here, Yuki. The body parts that are similar, they're not the same because some of them are the different sizes or they look a little bit different. So we call them similar, right? As you know, right? We have 2 hands, but our hands do not look the same, right? Greg's hands are, compared to Yuki's hands, Greg's hands are
Big.
bigger, but we still have hands. So our hands are similar, right? Right? Okay, so which body parts are similar, do you think, Yuki? Which ones? Can you touch? Flippers, correct? There are 4 of them. Blowholes, yes, that's 2. What do you think about fingers?
No.
No fingers. That whales don't have legs. I guess flippers technically weird, but they don't have legs. They use the flippers to thrust them forward, right?
Yeah.
No, they have, what is this here?
Eye and mouth.
Yeah, mouths and eyes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. And last one here, I think it's number 12. This is cool. See what I mean? Can you find the blue whale?
Yeah.
And then find the gray whale.
Great. Got it.
That's right. And see, look, it's almost double the size, maybe a little bit more. Amazing, right?
Yeah.
How many types of whales are there in the oceans?
A lot.
A lot, that's right. I taught you to say that. Remember we went to the park once and I said, Yuki, you don't have to count the trees. If there's so many trees, just say there are many or there's a lot. Right?
Yeah.
What a Yuki, smart boy over here, guys. Okay, you at YouTube, you can say, see you next time, Yuki.
See you next time.
Everybody.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Yuki, when I get to 0, you can just move your hand closer to the camera part, okay? Because so I'll go like 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, ready, Yuki? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.